morning, students. Myself, Dr. Shirisha, Associate Professor from CSE Department, MLR Institute of Technology. In this session, we are going to see what are PHP strings. You know how to define strings and how to define variables in PHP. And we have discussed what is PHP in our previous classes. PHP is a hypertext preprocessor. So, in this session, we are going to discuss what is string, okay, and different string functions. To work with strings, we need some predefined functions where it gives you some respective outputs like reversing a string or converting a string to uppercase or to the lowercase or getting a substring. So, like this, we need to fulfill the requirements of the user when you're defining or when you're developing an application. So, such things can be achieved by using these string functions, and we'll see them with the example programs also. So, what is a string? A string is simply a sequence of characters. If you write A, it's not a string, it's a character. If you write apple, so it's a string. So, when you're defining a string, so you have to give them in the double quotes, or you can either give it in the single quotes. So, this is how we have to declare the strings. So, string functions. Coming to the first function, I will tell you about the string len. strlen gives you the string length. Str stands for string, len stands for length. So, to define the length of a string, we are going to use string len. So, PHP string len function returns the length of the string. So, how to use it? So, when you wanted to use the string length function, obviously you have to print the length of the string. So, printing can be done using the echo keyword. So, echo string length, that is strlen, followed by the string that you are giving. Okay. Then, so what is the length of the string here? So, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and you have a space 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, total length of the string is 12. So, you are getting the output as a 12 string length. Then, string word count. So, if you wanted to count the number of words in the given string, then we are going to use str_word_count. So, that is what your second function of strings. PHP str_, remember underscore, we are separating the words with underscore here within the function. Str word count function counts the number of words in the string. So, here how many strings are there? 2. So, obviously the count will be 2. Str reverse. So, when you wanted to reverse the content of a string, then you will use strrev. The strrev function reverses a string. So, strrev of hello string or hello world, whatever the string you are giving, so that will be printed in the reverse fashion. So, that is the use of strrev. Then, strpos. So, PHP strpos function searches for a specific text. So, when you wanted to find the position of a string. So, when you are given a sentence, so what is the position of a particular string if you wanted to find out, then we will be using strpos function which searches the specific text within the string. So, if the match is found, the function returns the character position. If match is not found, it will return false. So, character position when you wanted to know, or the first match, whatever the string that is being found first. So, that is the first match. So, that is the character position. That character position will be returned. Suppose if you are giving here strpos, that is the position, and you are given a string. Among the string, you wanted to find world. So, where is world? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, this is the 6th position you are getting that W. So, that is 6. strpos gives you the position of the substring that you wanted to find in the given string. Then, str replace. Replace means whatever the string that you wanted to replace with a new text or the new content, then you have to use this str replace. PHP str replace function replaces some characters with some other characters in the string. That means what? Str replace world should be replaced with what? Dolly. Now, you have given the statement. So, in this statement, wherever you have world, in that place, you are replacing that with the dolly. And remember, there is no need of matching number of characters that you are replacing the string. So, output will be hello Dolly. Then strcmp. CMP stands for comparison. When you wanted to compare two strings in PHP, then we'll use strcmp function. strcmp of str1 and str2. So here when you wanted to compare two strings, so those two strings should be passed as a two parameters for strpos function, which compares two strings. So here if it is given the two words are given equal number of words, then it returns 0. That means there is no difference between them. Okay, str2 lower, that means lower string, means the font or the text of a string will be converted to the lowercase. So str2 lower, str2 upper. So 2 lower means whatever the string that you are passing, if that is in the uppercase, if you wanted to convert that to the lowercase, then we are using str2 lower. Function converts the characters to the lowercase. So simply str2 lower, you can pass the string into that. str2 upper. So str2 upper, whatever the string that you are passing, it will convert that to uppercase. So previously str2 lowercase converts the uppercase string to the lowercase string, and here str2 upper will convert your lowercase string to your uppercase. So str2 upper, the string that you have given is converted to the uppercase. Then trim. What is trim? Trim is the function that eliminates the white spaces. Suppose if you are giving any paragraph or any predefined text using the PRE, then what happens? Whatever the spaces that are there, suppose if you are giving MLR IT somewhere and you have lot of spaces in between them. So if you wanted to trim everything and put the content as MLR IT, then this can be done using this trim function. So whatever the spaces that you are giving here will be trimmed, means eliminated. So then you will be getting only the text that you wanted to display without the spaces. So the white spaces from both the ends of the string are eliminated. Not only before the string, after the string also, whatever the empty spaces you have, that will be eliminated. So let us see all these examples, how they get executed. Okay. Suppose if you wanted to find the length of the string, so just give whatever the PHP tag, starting and ending tags, that is less than PHP, question mark PHP is a starting tag to write a PHP program, and question mark greater than symbol will be the ending tag to end your PHP code. So echo is to print the statement that is following the echo. The strlen is the function to convert the length, to find out the length of the string and the string you are passing here. So let me save this. So if you remember, we are saving all the programs in C drive XAMPP. XAMPP is a server which is downloaded from the open source, and you have to go to htdocs under the XAMPP folder, and inside the htdocs you can create your own folder. Say I have created with my name. Then you can give here p3, that is the name of the program, .php. So .php is the extension that we are going to give it for the PHP program. So select all files. So here when you save this, check that you will be getting that as a PHP file. So just go there. Need to go to XAMPP, go to htdocs, go to your folder and p3. You can see here this is PHP source. Okay. So this is p3. So let us execute that. So to execute the program, you have to start XAMPP configuration. So just go to your XAMPP control panel. Just double click on that, or a single click. Just start your Apache server, because we need a server to execute our server side programs, which is PHP server side program. So start it. Then MySQL also you can start if you are connecting that to the database. As of now, we are not doing the database connectivity. So once this is started, so you can open your browser. So under your browser, just to give localhost. So if your system is downloaded with the XAMPP, then you will be getting this output. So what is the program? P3. This is the folder that I have created. This name I have given in the path. Okay, if you have not created any path, then just give localhost / your file name. Okay, so if you see here, we are getting the output as 12. What is that? That is the length of the string, as we have done string length. Then followed by, we have seen string count. So what is the count of the string? So just to put it here, str word count. What is the count that we have to know? So just refresh. So we have not given the space here. So let me give here dot br. br is used to get the output of the next statement in the next line, new line. Okay. Now here what is there? Word count is increased to 16 and word count is given as 2, right? This you can do it outside. Sorry, I have given it inside the string. Okay. So 2, 12 and 2. Now in the same way you can go with the other function, which is reverse. So echo string reverse. If you wanted to reverse the string, then we have to give this statement hello world reverse string, and here I am just concatenating. Dot operator is used for concatenating. So here string word count, along with that I just want to concatenate with a new line character, so that I am giving br tag. So it is in reverse. So space also you are getting when you are reversing the string. Then moving further, we have the other function, string position. So when you wanted to find the position of a string, we have to use strpos function, and you have to give your name. And here if you see, we are giving the substring of the string that which you wanted to find the position. So here I want to know the position of the world, so that we are giving this. Just refresh. So it is 6. So we have not concatenated with the new line character. So this you can do it here to get it in a new line. Okay, 6. So like this, all the string functions you can use for getting the appropriate output. So this is string replace, where you wanted to replace the string with some other. So I am just replacing this with hello MLR ITNs. So just I have not given a concatenation of new line here. If it is new line, your visibility of the output will be good. So that's why I am adding .br tag. So this is hello MLR items. Previously it was hello world, but in this I wanted to replace world with MLR items. So I have given word as a first parameter. In the second parameter you can pass the string that you wanted to replace. Then string comparison. String compare. So here I am giving world and world. Let me concatenate this with new line, so that you will get it in the new line character, next line. So just refresh, it is getting 0. Suppose if you are giving worlds, so you are getting -1. That means both the words are not equal. Then moving further, string to lower and string to upper. So I wanted to convert the string PHP which is given in uppercase to lowercase. So that I am just adding this .br here. Just refresh. So PHP is converted to the lowercase, but here if you see, we have given in the uppercase. Similarly, you can go with converting the string to uppercase. So string to upper is used for converting the string to uppercase. So here if you see, we are giving the string in the lowercase. So just use this str2 upper function to convert the string to uppercase. So just refresh. So it is converted to upper. Similarly, and we have trim function. So this trim function allows the white spaces to get eliminated. So you can use trim for that. So I am giving spaces here, but in the output, if you see, we will get only PHP. So this is for the conversion from lower to upper, and this is trim function where lot of spaces are given here, but if you see, all the spaces before PHP and after PHP are eliminated. So these are few of the string functions that I wanted to discuss with you, and in this session we have discussed about the different string functions along with the examples. Hope you all understood. Thank you all.